Hello,
How are you?
I am great, thank you. How are you?
I'm fabulous, thank you.
But your voice is little slower. Can you please keep your mic closer?
Yes, 2 seconds. I'll just turn it up high as well. Right, I've turned it up 100%. Is that better?
Yes.
Do you want me to try it this way? How's that?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Right, I'll take these out. I think I need a new pair of headphones, earphones. So where are you calling from? Is it Ramzan?
Yes, my name is Ramzan and I'm calling from India. And you?
Um, my name's Jerry. I'm born in the UK, but I live in Malta in the Mediterranean.
Okay, great. And you are working on Cambly, and other than that, what's your profession?
I'm a therapist. I've been a therapist for 30 years, 30.
Oh, wow, great. So, therapist means you are doing the checkup of what?
It's a beauty and holistic therapist and a colon. I do like hydrocolon therapy, which are colonics. Have you heard of colonics? Have you heard of
Actually,
colonics?
I'm not much aware about all these things in which you are. I'm also new with this.
Are you trying to say that you don't need beauty therapy?
No, 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 I need.
You obviously don't need it. You don't know anything about it.
Yes, actually, I today I am hearing from you, so that's why I'm thinking that if that is good, then I should also do that. Same
Yes,
thing.
exactly. So it entails, I work on a health retreat
Uh-huh.
and it's like a detox center. So people come over to reset or kickstart their body back to health again because maybe they've abused it with alcohol or too much smoking or not a good diet. They have health issues like high blood pressure, that they're carrying too much weight.
Uh-huh.
Um, so they come here for 3, 5, 7, however long they want, and people go back a completely different person. So I'm with them from the beginning of their journey when when they're on water. They say they could like water fast or they could juice fast. So when they're juicing, it can put them into like by the third day the blood well their sugar levels drop, so they get tearful, they get a bit depressed, um they can like be moody. So once they get past that day, then they start to feel great, their body's kicking back into some sort of normality, and their skin, the way they feel, the way they look is just absolutely unbelievable.
So
So
you are working in a hospital, or you have your private hospital or something?
no, it's not a hospital, it's a retreat. It's called a retreat. So it's like a clinic. We call it a clinic because it's under the medical branch, but it's because I do colonics. So it's like doing a procedure that is more like what a doctor would do, but I'm not a doctor. Um, and we have like naturopaths and nutritionalists. So that's why we're under the medical branch, but we're not a clinic, we're not a hospital, we're just a retreat where people come to detox their body.
Okay, so you mean that you are working with some other people who are also expert in different things, right?
Correct. So we all work together as a team and it all works
Okay.
together, yeah. So it's great.
So the owner of that specific clinic is someone different, or you are the partner or something like that?
No, I'm not. I'm just the worker, the hard worker.
Okay, hard worker.
Yes. So the people who own it are British, and they have a retreat in the UK, in the south of
Uh-huh.
England. So they ventured out into Malta and opened one here as well. But they don't have anything to do with it. We literally run it for them. They don't they just put up the funds and we run it. So yeah, but it's fantastic because I've always just worked in spas around the world, and you know the nice part of just doing massage and facials and manicures, pedicures. But this is more intense because you're dealing with people's mental state. So
Yes.
you help people mentally as well, which is great. It's like you're on their journey, and I've learned so much by being here. I do yoga now, meditation, where in the northeast of England, all you used to do was drink alcohol and eat.
So this is quite difficult for you to manage. Why? Because there are people who are having that type of addiction.
No, I don't actually drink alcohol anymore now. I'm teetotal.
So you were also doing the same thing earlier?
Um, well, no, I would never. I used to know I used to be in the healthy business, so I used to have to show a good impression, didn't I? But I
Okay.
used to live and enjoy my life. That's what life's all about, isn't it? Enjoying and living your life to the full, as if it's your last day.
So how you are enjoying your life? I mean, if you are not taking alcohol, so what is your alternate?
I've only stopped drinking alcohol in the last 12 weeks because I went into hospital and I had a
Uh-huh.
stomach issue, and then I decided I didn't want to poison my body anymore with alcohol. Not that I drank very much, just like, socially with my friends, nice wine and food. But I decided that I've poisoned my body for 40 years. I don't intend to anymore. So I've got this personality where I actually don't really need an alcoholic drink to enjoy myself. So
Okay.
once I was at a house party on Sunday just for lunch, and it was really nice. I stayed 4 hours, and then they started getting silly with alcohol and putting hats on and glasses and acting silly. So I thought now's the time to leave.
So you have your children's?
No, I haven't got any children.
You have?
No, I've got none.
So you mean you are not married yet or what?
I'm divorced. I was married. I've been divorced for 20 years.
Oh.
So I'm.
So after, you mean before 20 years you got divorced and then after you didn't get married, right?
I got married when I was 30, and I was married
Hmm.
for 10 years, and I've been divorced 20. So I'm old lady now.
And now your age is
Now I'm what?
now you are 40, right?
No, I'm 60.
60.
Yes, it's all the beauty therapy, you see.
Yes, you are a beauty. You are doing the beauty therapy, and that's why you are taking care of yourself, right?
Yes, exactly. It helps.
Yes, yes, to manage your standard of youngness, right?
Yes, exactly. And my parents are really got beautiful skin. They've always got that nice, happy outlook on life. They've kept themselves young. So it's all about the mindset, how you feel, how you are with people, how you live your life. And I believe that's a big indicator as to how young you stay. And of
So, what you will recommend me that can that can help me also?
you don't need to. You've got
Yes, I
that
need.
young look. No, actually, it's just to be positive. Try and see the good every day you wake up. Be grateful for what you've got, whether it's like not really what you think you deserve, because
Uh-huh.
everybody gets what they deserve, whether it be, well, however you're treating people. If you're treating people bad, it's going to come back on you. If you try to do your best, of course, we're all going to have bereavement. We're going to have illness, and we're going to trip and fall. We're going to sometimes lose money or not have money. But like, health is the biggest, like health before wealth. So having little money and being happy and having inner peace is just the world. It's like giving somebody the moon. Actually, it's full moon tomorrow night, so it's new beginnings. And so let's see what happens after the full moon tomorrow night. So did you know it was
Okay.
full moon tomorrow night?
No.
Yes, the full moon. So it's an indicator of new beginnings, and out with the old, in with the new. So we'll see what happens with that one.
Okay, great. So actually, yes, that is important thing which you mentioned that if we are grateful for what we have, then of course our mental health would be good because we don't have that type of stress and we will not have that type of things like race, right?
I know exactly. All the time's nearly run out. It's been really nice to meet you.
Okay, nice
See
to
you
meet you
again.
too. Thank you so much for your
You're
time.
welcome.
Bye.